Write as a single fraction in simplest form, x over 6 plus x minus 11x all over 12. And so this is the expression that they want us to write as a single fraction in simplest form. Now, what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the LCM of 1, 6, and 12. And we want to do that because we want to make our denominators the same. All right, so currently the denominator of this fraction is 6. The denominator of this fraction is 12. And the denominator of this is actually, we can express x as x over 1. So the denominator here is 1, okay? So we have defined the LCM of 1, 6, and 12. And so what we do here is we say, okay, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36, and the list goes on. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60, and the multiples of 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the list goes on. All right, so the list also goes on for this one. So let me indicate that the list goes on. All right, so what is the LCM of 6, 12, and 1? Notice that we have 12 in each case, and so the LCM of 1, 6, and 12 is definitely 12. And so we ask ourselves, okay, what times 6 gives me 12? Well, 6 times 2 gives me 12. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. And then we ask ourselves, well, what times 1 gives me 12? Well, 1 times 12 gives me 12. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top as well. And here we have what times 12 gives me 12. And the answer is 1. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top as well. And so we have 6 times 2, which is 12. 2 times x is 2x. 1 times 12 is 12. And x times 12 is 12x. 12 times 1 is 12. And 11x times 1 is 11x. And so here we have all our denominators the same, which means that we can operate on the numerators. And so the denominators are all the same. So the denominator is just 12, right? So we keep the same denominator, which is 12. And that is great because now we can operate on the numerators. So we have 2x plus 12x minus 11x. And if we do 2x plus 12x, that gives us 14x. And we have 14x minus 11x. That's going to be 11, 12, 13, 14. And so that's going to be 3x because 14x minus 11x is 3x. So we have 3x over 12. And then we can still simplify this because we could divide top and bottom by 3. And so 3 divided by 3 is definitely 1. So it's going to be 1x or simply x. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. And so that means that the answer to this question is x over 4. That's the answer.